Hi, I'm Komalah. I'm a final year quantity surveying student from Heriot-Watt University, and my concept paper studies circular economy in the Malaysian construction industry. Construction activities impact the environment negatively throughout the life cycle of development, and rapid rural to urban migration is also forcing the construction industry to use non-sustainable approaches to speed up completion. This is because the linear economy method is being used in construction industry, and this causes resource depletion, destruction of natural habitats, and the loss of biodiversity. And that is why we should move towards the circular economy model. This reduces the demand for non-renewable virgin materials, extracts the maximum value of materials by keeping them in use for as long as possible, thus minimizing waste production. In the Netherlands, the general implementation of circular economy or CE could generate more than 54,000 additional jobs such as labor-intensive recycling and repairs and logistic jobs for product take-backs. This brings about 7 billion euros in their GDP. Imagine the benefits that Malaysia can reap as a country with a population of 32 million as compared to Netherlands with 17 million, and Malaysia has also got a more robust construction industry than Netherlands. According to literature review, most studies only consider CE on one stage of works, and that is most of the time the end of life stage. This indicates that most studies are still learning the ways to apply the CE concepts on one stage at a time, instead of practicing CE holistically on all stages of works and the building's life cycle, which is the ultimate goal. The aim of this paper is to study the framework and transition towards the CE model in the Malaysian construction industry that will facilitate the future implementation. And the objectives are to assess stakeholders' awareness, understanding, and the perception of the CE model in the Malaysian construction industry, to understand the adoption status, challenges, and enablers, as well as make recommendations for CE to be implemented. To achieve the aim and the objectives, both questionnaires and semi-structured interviews will be conducted with various construction industry stakeholders, and the data will be analyzed based on their educational background, their experience in the construction industry, the company function, type, and size, as well as the roles they play in the company. The major challenges are the lack of financial resources, training and knowledge, and awareness among both clients and construction industry stakeholders, and the lack of government support, infrastructure supporting circularity, lack of interest, and fragmented supply chains, as well as the need and demands of clients. And the potential enablers are government roadmap, best practice guidelines by professional bodies like CIDB, viable take-back schemes, awareness campaigns for both clients and construction industry stakeholders, as well as financial incentives. The successful implementation of CE will enable Malaysia to achieve the 2025 Green Energy Target and SDG 12, Responsible Consumption and Production, which will put Malaysia on the map for sustainable development. Thank you.